Most people are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year for one simple reason. They are terrified of a 10-minute conversation. They think asking for a raise is begging or greedy. But in 2026, salary negotiation isn't a favor. It's a business transaction. If you've become 20% more efficient or valuable to your company, but your salary hasn't moved, you're actually taking a pay cut. Today, I'm giving you the exact value-based script to get a 20% raise without the awkwardness, without the fear, and without risking your job. Let's get you paid what you're actually worth. The biggest mistake? Asking for money based on what you need. My rent went up. I'm having a baby. Everything is getting expensive. To your boss, your personal expenses are not a business justification. A raise is a reward for ROI, return on investment. If you want a 20% raise, you have to prove you've delivered at least 20% more value. We don't ask based on our bills, we ask based on our impact. Before you book that meeting, you need your brag sheet. This is a list of your wins over the last 6 to 12 months. Did you save the company time? Did you bring in a new client? If you can show that you saved the company $50,000, asking for a $10,000 raise is a bargain. You're not an expense, you're an investment. Here is exactly how you open the meeting. Do not say, "Can we talk about my pay?" Say this instead. "I've really enjoyed the impact I've been able to make this year, specifically these 2 major wins. Given the increased scope of my role and the results I'm delivering, I'd like to discuss adjusting my salary to reflect the current market value." Notice the silence that follows. Stop talking. Let them process. If they say, "We don't have the budget," don't get angry. Ask, "What milestones do I need to hit to reach that number in the next 6 months?" Now you have a roadmap? Negotiation is a skill, and like any skill at Career Shul, you can master it. You are the CEO of your own career. I've put my full salary negotiation script in the description for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and go get what's yours.